Theatre has the power to make us laugh, cry, and question our world. And when one woman steps on the stage to speak for many, magic happens. Hello everyone, this is Chetan Singh Chauhan from News Daddy, and today we have a special conversation with the talented Juhi Babbar Soni. Her play with love, Aapki Sayara, has touched hearts across India, and now it's creating a wave right here in Ahmedabad. In this candid chat, Juhi opens up about the soul of Sayara, the journey of performing a powerful monologue, and the real stories behind the applause. Stay tuned because this isn't just an interview, it speaks into the heart of Indian theatre. Let's have a talk with Juhi. Juhi ji, welcome to the show.
धन्यवाद.
You have already said a lot many things, so
Thank
very
you.
little left for me. Can you tell us little bit about the show, which is going to be the 26th? So, just a brief about it.
Yes, so today is, I think, the 126th performance of With Love Aapki Sayara, this play that I have written, directed, and I also act in. It's an Ekjut theatre presentation. Ekjut is, the founder is Nadira Zahid Babbar, who is my guru, who is my mother. और ये play I'm extremely happy that it is happening through Milanji, Miraya Creations. He came as an audience to one of my Mumbai shows at Prithvi Theatre, and he expressed the wish to bring it to Ahmedabad, and I'm so happy that all this worked out. And I'm here, and it's great that it's a houseful show. That means Milanji has definitely done a great job of spreading, you know, awareness and news about the play. And I'm really looking forward to having an amazing audience and such a beautiful venue. I think this is one of the most wonderful venues in the world. Let me say that Natrani, for any artist to be able to go and perform on this stage, you just, because I think it's the vibration of so many legends who have performed here that you feel it when you're on this stage. Only an artist will understand this.
आपके पेरेंट्स से आपको legacy मिली है
जी.
as a being an artist. So was it a blessing in disguise, or it has helped you in pursuing your artist
Of
character?
course, it's a blessing. Why in
Or
disguise?
it has
It's out and out a blessing. I think in every life, if I ever want to be a daughter to anybody, it's going to be Nadira Babbar and Raj Babbar, because it's the biggest blessing that I could have had. Whatever I am today, it's only because of my parents. Everything. The way I think, the way I write, the language that I speak, the way I look at people, everything is my parents.
So you have written this show, you have directed this show, and you are acting also. So what is actually difficult for you, and what actually you enjoy the most, being a writer or being a director or being an actor?
So I think the most difficult part is the writing, and then I think the most easiest part is the acting,
Okay.
because if a well written product is half job done, and even if you're an average actor and you get a great script, you will sail through it. And if you're a good actor, फिर तो सोने पे सुहागा हो गया. And director, I think, good script, good actor, job done.
Easier. This is your 26th
126th, yes.
show. So, कभी ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि पहले शो से आज तक आपने जो लिखा वही का वही आपने थिएटर और स्टेज पर बोला है, या यू bound to make some changes based on the reaction of the audience? कुछ स्क्रिप्ट में चेंजेस आए या सेम स्क्रिप्ट अभी भी
So
वही?
in theatre, it always happens that till about the 8th, 9th, 10th show, the play is still getting set. And that is what also happened with Love Aapki Sayara. And I used to keep doing little changes and little experiments. And sometimes you do some things just in the flow. And and you realize that, okay, I've done something new, but I've got a great reaction from the audience. So then you include it. But now we've locked it. Like, my team is like, ma'am, ab script lock kar do. So I think about I kept experimenting and playing a little bit more than usual with this. I think till about maybe till about 35-40 shows. I used to keep doing what I want a little bit, but then now we have locked it. I try and not change it. Little bit, because particularly in Sayara, there's a lot of give and take with audience.
Yeah, there is scope to improve.
Improve to always.
Why,
Improvement to
which is not possible
बिल्कुल.
in cinema.
Improvement and growth, that is forever.
You cannot.
Not just 126, even 1026 show, God willing, it has to keep improving, it has to be better. Sayara has so much repeat audience. So much. I have had people who come and tell me, today I watched it for the 6th time. Today I watched it for the 4th time,
That's
5th
great.
time, 7th time. I've had people like this. So and they're like, my God, and today you were even better, or today it was, or today that part touched me more, or today that dialogue, oh my God, today it hit me. I understood that part more today. So that is something that is really, this play has earned is repeat audience.
Because that is possible in theater only,
Ji.
not in cinema.
Ji.
Once it is done, it is out for the
Ji.
audience.
Ji.
Now you have already done theaters, cinema, web series also. Which, when I ask this question to any artist, they give me general answer. But I know that there is a human psychology. One thing you love the most and one thing you are reluctant to do that. Which is the one that you love the most and which is the one you reluctant? I'm talking about theater, cinema, web series and television.
So I love theatre the most. Okay, and there are a lot of reasons, not just as a profession. See, I have grown up in the theatre atmosphere. Other children came back from school and sat at home. We went to Mama's rehearsal. Other children used to go for tuitions. We used to sit, अगर इंग्लिश है तो किरण खेर इंग्लिश का होमवर्क में हेल्प कर रही है. मैथ का होमवर्क है तो शायद आलोकनाथ हेल्प कर रहे हैं, या हिंदी का है तो शायद सतीश कौशिक हेल्प कर रहे हैं. मतलब we've grown up like that. So theatre is a part of me. Theatre is not just a profession for me. Then when I come to and I have to talk about cinema or web series, I'm not reluctant, but I just want to be in a space where I'm valued as a performer, especially today. Thankfully, whether it's my husband or the family that I come from, there is no stress on me that I have to earn this much money every month, or even ambition wise that, oh, I have to achieve this or achieve that. My biggest ambition in life is to make my parents proud and to keep them happy and to see my child happy and proud of his mother. बाकी सब हो जाता है.
So you followed the legacy of your parents, become an actor. Do you want your child to do the same?
I want my child to be happy. I want my child to grow and if he wants to be in this field, definitely we will guide him to the best. And something that I always make it a point to make him understand is there's a lot of hard work in this profession, and because it's a skilled profession, right? It is not like today I'm an actor. Tomorrow, if ma'am decides that she doesn't want to do what she's doing and she gives an audition and pass हो गया, वो कल को बोलेंगे I'm an actor. So जो नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा से ट्रेन होके आ रहा है, वो भी मेरा कंपटीशन है. दिस मैम who today decides to keep paper on the side and decides to give an audition, she also becomes my competition. तो मैं तो नहीं कर सकती ना. कल को एक डॉक्टर जो है वो कह सकता है यार मैंने बहुत ऑपरेशन कर लिए, कल से आई वांट टू ट्राई एंड एक्ट. मैं तो नहीं कर सकती ना, मैंने बहुत एक्टिंग कर ली, कल से आई वांट टू ट्राई एंड ऑपरेट ऑन यू. आई कांट डू दैट, राइट? तो कंपटीशन कितना ज़्यादा है इस प्रोफेशन में. तो अगर आप आना चाहते हैं इस प्रोफेशन में, यू हैव टू रियली बी स्किल्ड, रेडी टू वर्क हार्ड अ लॉट, और अपने पे बहुत बहुत मेहनत करके आनी चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Nowadays, social media is nearly half of the thing. What is your perspective on that?
Social media is very important. I was away from social media for very long. It's only in COVID that I actually came on, even on Instagram. I'm still not on Facebook. But I do understand that it is extremely important to be seen, because after all, our profession is about seen. But then I like to be seen for my work. I'm not somebody who will be like, oh, today I'm sitting in this 5 star, I'm in this traveling this first class, or today I am in, this 7 stars washroom. I don't think that's important. I do understand that sometimes your fans, your followers want to see where you're probably going on a holiday or what your family is doing. So I do let them know, but I keep it very limited. I consider my social media a medium to let people know my profession more than my personal.
One last question.
Sure.
Cinema, theater, web series, or sculpture, or painting, all these are art. And art is subjective. What is your perspective on this statement?
Of course, it is subjective. Of course, whether you're writing, you're acting, you're putting up an art together, a sculpture, it's subjective. It's about it's each to his own, right? But like I said, that there has to be some quality that connects. I don't believe in art that you feel superior as an artist compared to the people who are watching you.
Hope you have enjoyed this conversation.
I did. Thank
and
you.
We, I personally wish that you continue to 1026.
Thank you so
Sure.
much. That's so kind of you. Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
You too.
Take care.
Thank you. And please try.
If you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.